Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to um, pick up things so we can test our function we made in the last video. For that, let us change to Unreal Engine. So we need some more interface for that. What we need is simple blueprint interface. We call that BPE, blueprint interface Equippable. So we open it, we want on one function and call that equip. Here let us get an input, and that will be our player ref of type BB person character object reference. So, and there we need our BP person character now. And here we have to add our inventory. So BBC inventory. We can add it wherever we want. It doesn't matter. So now we go back to maybe the ghost book. So class settings, interface, add interface, BPI, Equippable. So now we got here an interface function equipped. So what we want to do is EPC inventory. Not that. We want to get it, not want to set it. BPC. Add pre compiled, yeah. BPC inventory. Yeah, ref. BPC get BP or person character, and this is from type. This, yeah, wrong type. BP person character. This type. Yeah, and now it should work. Get BPC. Get BPC inventory. Here it is. So, and now we want to add to inventory. Now we did it. So, and we need the item ID. For that, we will make here a public variable, so name it, expose, and spawn. And we name it how it goes. Yeah, so far so good. Yeah, but at this moment nothing will happen because the event equipped is never be fired from anywhere. So amount we will put 1 because it cannot add more than 1. So BBC player and BBC player. I have to look where we have to. This temperature. Okay. we want to do it? We have to do it from the character because of the multiplayer. And the we have to call it an, have we? No, I think we don't need to do it. Okay. Let us add here a collision. Sear collision, yeah. Sear collision is good. Yeah. This sear collision will get and begin overlap. Oh, we got 2 spheres now. Okay, so that means we got here. Yeah. True. True, we got it here, so yeah. So this was our test code for the postbook. We don't need it anymore because we have tested and it works. Our actor, so yeah. What will we do? Yeah, at this point we want to tell the player current equipable item. Unless he has an actor, he can equip. So we go back to the ghost book and we tell here that's current equipable item, and we make it to self. Here we do nearly the same, but we bring it back to null or none or whatever you want to call it. So we did this. Then we want into the player. And we press the key for enter here. Yeah. Let us should look which key we have defined. Input, action, default, interact. Get the E button, yeah. So we need another action. Input, action, EA, equip. I want to separate it. It will listen to the same button, but I want to separate these action. So I go here, take my equip, but I want to listen to the same button for that. But it's cleaner for me in the BP player to handle it now. So now I can say here, EA equipped and started. No, so here is valid. I ever grabbed the wrong one first. Is valid. Here's the right one. If that is valid, then pass to BPI Equippable. And from here, I use equipped. So far, so good. Player ref goes to self. So let us test it. For that, we have to, yeah, there is, so play go here, here. And you see create stack. If I do it again, inventory full. I gather them 3 times. I have 3 times a 1 stack of the ghost book in my inventory. Now I can't go further. I can show you this. I think it would be. So let us go to the BP person character. Let us go to the BPC here. And no, we cannot see it as data. No. Yeah, okay. We have no more visualization. So the problem here now is he wants to add it up. We have to go to the data, to the items, make a new item out of it, name it ghost book. Ghost book, yeah. We take any picture, it doesn't matter. Stack 2, any description, save it. So now we should got 2. Create stack, edit stack. Create stack, because we now get this item a second time. But maybe we don't want to have an item a second time. So we have to tell the system, but we don't want it. So in the item struct, we need a new variable. We call that max appearance. I will short look. I write it right. At the moment, I think I have a misspelling there. Yeah. So this will be an integer. And this will by default 1. So now I say, tell the system this item should be only there 1 time. That is there more than 1 time, he should not add it again. So we have to open our, there it is, our BBC. It's not open component BBC, yeah. So we have to, where we want to add this check. Maybe we add it here before we go into the loop. Check max appearance. So here we need the, let us look here how we did it here, the item ID. Item ID of type name. Let us copy all of that. So let us copy. Yeah. So that's we need, but we not want this. We want to check if the max experience. Yeah. How we could handle this good. Yeah, we make a local variable and then this name this count appearance. So we have to count how often this item is there. For that, we want to go like this. No, not like this. We need our content here. We need a for each loop. So, and here we want to split. If gleich. Item ID. Branch. Dann that's this. +1. So, okay, we look through all items in our inventory. Every time we got the item with the same item ID, we add 1 to our count appearance. And after the loop finished, here, first we have to check is less, yeah, count appearance, branch. So we check if max appearance, kleiner count appearance, then we want to return as a space. Here have space true, and here have space false. Now we go back into our add to inventory function, and we want nearly at the beginning. Maybe we want to do it really on the beginning. We want to do our check. We make a branch here. So on here we make a print. Got max of that item. So now we want to test that out. Here we press A. We got max of that item because I think I forget to put max appearance, item struct. Here I want to put it in the data table. Where is our data table? Just open it. Yeah. Max appearance 1 and 1. So let us go on 2 and try it again. That's not work. Short moment. Yeah, I could find my failure. This two has to be this around. If the max appearance is greater, the count appearance, then if less the count appearance, then it goes to false and after to true. So now we could do the things like we want. Let us bring it back here to 1. So our expected behavior is now we go to the item, we press E, we could take it, we press E again, it added 1 to the stack, and we press E, creates a second stack, and we are max out. We cannot get any more of that item. So far for this video. Yeah, now we could pick up items, and in the next video we have to handle the UI for that. Yeah, see ya. Short remember for our polling for the next steps. Every vote counts and matters, so please vote.